Pope Francis was the 266th Pope
Pope.
of the Catholic Church. Um, Going back in history, a Pope is said to be the successor of Saint Peter, right? Can you explain that concept to us so that just we can break down the different parts of the conclave before we go into the process?
Diba? Nung pinili ni Jesus Christ si Saint Peter to be the leader of the apostles.
And the words in the Bible
Yeah,
were,
sabi niya, "You are Peter, and on this rock I will build my church." And sa investiture ng bagong Santo Papa, maririnig na naman natin yung mga salitang yan. Yung mga salitang unang binigkas ng ating Panginoon kay Peter, uulitin yon dun sa successor. You are Peter, and on this rock I will build my church. So, from Saint Peter all the way to Pope Francis, the 266th Pope, we have what you call an unbroken line of succession. Ito yung apostolic succession na unique because it's only in the Catholic Church that you can trace that line, never broken, all throughout the history of the Church.
2,000 years, or the past 2,000 years from Saint Peter to Pope Francis, 266.